Hey guys, welcome back to the UltFone channel. So, iOS 26 is out for some days, and while most people are excited to try the new features, some of you might be stuck on the verifying update screen. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through a few easy ways to fix it. Step by step. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. Here's how. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo shows up. It's simple, and sometimes it's all you need to unfreeze the update process. If your phone boots normally and the update resumes, great. If this doesn't work, let's keep going. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Try this. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or restart your router. If your internet connection is weak or unstable, the update may hang during verification. Once your connection is stable, go back to your settings and check for the update again. If this doesn't work, no worries, try the next one. Method 3. Delete and re-download the update. First, open the Settings app, then tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage. Look for the iOS 26 update file, tap on it, and then tap Delete Update. After that, go back to the Software Update section and try downloading iOS 26 again. If that doesn't do the trick, we've got one last built-in method to try. Method 4. Reset network settings. Here's what you need to do. Open the Settings app, tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Now choose Reset Network Settings. Just a heads up, this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be ready to reconnect after. If none of the built-in methods work, here's the most effective way to fix it. Method 5. Update to iOS 26 with UltFone. Alright, if your update is still stuck, here's the best option. UltFone is a tool that helps you fix all kinds of iOS system issues. Here's what you do. Download and install UltFone on your computer. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Launch UltFone and click iOS Upgrade. It will ask you to download the official iOS 26 firmware. Go ahead and let that finish. Then click Initiate Upgrade and UltFone will update your iPhone without any data loss. Just sit tight. Once it's done, you'll see iOS 26 running on your device. The best part? You don't need to mess with iTunes or Finder, and there's no risk of losing your data. It's quick, clean, and beginner-friendly. Alright, that's it. If you're stuck on the verifying update screen, one of these methods should get you going. Personally, I think UltFone is the easiest and most reliable way, especially if your phone keeps freezing or glitching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more iOS fixes and tech tips. Catch you in the next one.